Fa the bibi akọ Musa na oda kwan ma ye hwehwe. Me kada abato no nso ase 7 o'clock anopa. By 6:30 na the electoral commission was set up won bibia kama. As a time me fi na nipa be 100 na watu aba. Me fitakra dere batakra de nipa almost 180 na watu aba ono. Also ekwen security is fully in control over the place. This is where we need mene this if say mini police can say many agents of the political parties so many one aspirants so can say ubia any problem there with the exercise so far then I made up a kwesiminti so yes kwesiminti so bibia ye beko agent ni nyina ubia any problem is any problem police any problem so yes and them osa wa kona mo so kona not say nyame ya aduma we have one of the most successful and fair and transparent elections.